Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you about starting a trial of Act CRM or Act SaaS, SaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. And what's unique about this approach to Act is it's all web-based. There's no desktop software to install, and you can do everything yourself. Obviously, I'm here to give you assistance should you need it, but it's a great way to get your feet wet with Act. So if you'd like to start a free trial, simply visit their free trial, and I'll extend a link at the end of this video. But you can go in and sign up for a free trial. So I'm going to show you how that works. I've filled out all the information here, and I'm going to submit this information for a free trial. I'm going to go down and click on I'm Not a Robot, and I'm going to click on Start Your Free Trial. Once I submit the free trial, I will get an email with information regarding my account and all the information. But as we continue to set this up, I'm going to click Continue. I'm going to pick what I do. I'm going to do professional services. I'm personally not going to give them all this information, but I'm going to go down to the bottom and click Continue. You can if you want. It just gives them some information. I'm going to choose the size. Just do 1 to 5. Continue. I'm going to click on Manage Contacts, Continue. Again, this is just more of a little bit of information related to my business. Then you will be prompted for password, and it has to be at least 8 characters in this case, with an uppercase and lowercase and a symbol. So I'm going to type something in here. Bear with me just 1 second. Again, I think it's good that you have a password that you use on a regular basis that you can come back to time and again. You do want to mix those up a little bit, but I'm going to set the password. Excellent. So now again, it's going through the process. I'm not going to save that with my software. And we are inside Act. That's all we had to do. Then we set up our free trial. So step 2 would be doing some configuration, which I'll show you in other videos, and also uploading a backup of your current Act database should you have one. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.